Have you ever thought about using songs and rhymes to help your kids learn literacy? It's a fun and free way to give your child really rich linguistic, cognitive, and social stimulation for their developing brains. And with oral language in particular, songs and chants can help kids develop their phonemic awareness, semantics, vocabulary, and more. And if you'd like to learn a bit more about what those things mean, you can check out my video, The 6 Elements of Language. I'm going to give you 6 tips to make the most out of using songs for literacy learning with your kids. And as I talk through, I'm going to be providing up on the screen some lists of songs, which are examples of how to apply that tip. Those lists might trigger your memory as to a song that you already know, but also, of course, feel free to use any songs that you know that you think you might work for you and your family. So here we go. Tip number 1, use songs with hand actions wherever you can. These are really engaging for kids and help them connect the meaning with the words. Use rhythm and look for songs that have a strong beat that you can clap out with your kids. Use body parts, so not just hands, but the entire body. This is really, really great for kids, keeps them engaged, gets them involved, and they're a lot more likely to engage with that content and have some educational and social benefit along with yourself. Be creative. Use whatever cultures, languages you're lucky enough to be involved in or that you know. Sound effects as well, if you don't speak another language, are great. And any songs, like I've said, from your culture. Finally, use music or don't. A cappella is totally fine. It means that you can sing those songs in the car, in the park, in the bath, when you're out and about, wherever the mood strikes you. If you prefer to use music though for your singing, you can use YouTube apps, the radio, or you can make your own music by using banging instruments things you've got around the house, or proper instruments if you happen to have any. I'll also provide the links below to a free app that you can download with accompanying music for a bunch of the songs that I'm talking about and listing. And there's also a website there which I'll link that's got the same songs on it. Make sure that you have fun, sing enthusiastically. You don't need to be a good singer. The point is engaging with your child, having a meaningful interaction with them that involves language. It's great if you can get your child involved, but even if they don't sing with you at that moment for whatever reason, you're still modeling the confidence and the joy in the process, and they will still hear the components of language that you're demonstrating, and they'll still receive the cognitive benefit of that. Now, I don't expect you to remember all of your songs for kindergarten, so if you'd like a refresher on the songs I've listed or to learn some more ones, you can check out my video, Dynamic Songs to Sing with Kids. Let me know in the comments below, what songs do you like singing with your kids, and do they have any actions that go with them? Have fun, see ya!